So the next lesson also gonna be on this second set of three black keys and third set of three black keys using these three fingers. And this song name is Echo Song. It starts from left hand, then right hand. First two bars are left hand, then the next two bars are right hand. Same follows in the second line also. At the end of the score, you have to yeah, you can see a thin and thick lines with two dots which says to repeat it again. Right. Let's first read. I told you we are learning in an easy way. So we have to play according to the number of the fingers. Fourth finger, third finger, second finger. Right. Right hand, second finger, third finger, fourth finger. So 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Let us start from the fourth finger of the left hand. 4, 3, 2, 3, then 4. I said white circle with a stem or standing line to be held for two counts. Right. 4, 4. Then right hand also. 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 2. Should wait or hold it for two counts. Black saw one count. Let's go. We will have the metronome speed off. We'll go. 1, 2, ready and go. 4, 3, 2, 3, You repeat again, practice again and again. Thank you.